Winter is here, and while it brings festive vibes, it also brings coughs and colds, especially for kids. Today, I'm sharing 3 natural remedies to soothe your little one's discomfort without relying on medication. Start with a spoonful of warm water mixed with honey. It's a natural cough suppressant and helps soothe sore throats. For kids over 1 year, this is a lifesaver. Steam Inhalation works wonders for clearing nasal passages. Add a drop of eucalyptus oil to make it even more effective. A bedtime favorite. Add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to warm milk. It boosts immunity and aids healing. These remedies are simple, effective, and comforting for kids. Keep them warm, hydrated, and let their immunity do the rest.